Hello, my name is Ivan. Today I'm going to show you a tutorial how to assemble and assemble a PC. First of all, we remove the case cover. Remove the main screws from the graphics card and the power cable. Remove the front panel cables and any other remaining cables. Later we unscrew all the screws from the motherboard, then unfix the fan and finally remove it. We take the motherboard out of the case. Unscrew the back of the power supply. And unscrew the lateral case cover. Back to the processor, lift the tab to unfix it and remove it. Replace it, making sure the bottom right corner is aligned. To install the RAM cards, simply apply force to each end of the card, inserting it into the DIMM slot. Replace the hard drive card, applying force towards the slot and secure it with screws. Moving on the processor, we apply thermal paste to it in a dot and place the heatsink on top. Later we secure it with the screws. Finally, we place the motherboard back in the case, securing it by replacing all the screws. We retouch all the front panel and the video card cables, securing them with the screws. We also replace the power supply with all the cables. Finally, we replace the side panel of the case.